Itura ria Mountain View, barabara ya Waiyaki wi county ya Nairobi, nyumba-ini Waiyaki Real Gardens, niguo mugururio wa raia 1250 kuma bururi wa Pakistan megukinyitio ni maabitha a ruhonge ruria rurumbuithanagia na maundu ma kuingirana kuma bururi wa Kenya thutha wa kurutururwo mikawa itiganite miena ya Nairobi, Kiambu na Ruiru na muoroto wa guthuthuria maratathi mao kumenyeke kana meguku bururi-ini kuringana na watho.
I have a hotel in Gara and there was a raid at about 10 o'clock. About 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock they were all waken up from their sleep, taken out of their rooms by force and bundled into cars, buses and brought to this place over here.
Uhoro uyu ukitio riri ruhonge rwa maundu ma nanja rukajite ngirimiti ya Kenya na Pakistan ya gwitikiria raia bururi uyu mugeni kuingira Kenya matari na visa gukirikana undu uyu niguo cungiriirie raia ya kuingiha bururi-ini thutha wa ciuria kwiyumiria cia kiria gitumite matume thabari ya kilomita 4,736 ya mathaa matandatu na ndagika 18 magiuka bururi-ini wa Kenya macoke mathie kilomita ingi 2,756 na mathaa 3 na ndagika 40 magithie Saudi Arabia, undu uria nota gucoka thutha kuria maumite handu ha guthie imwe kwa imwe kuma bururi wa Pakistan merekeire Saudi Arabia kuria mangirahuthirire mathaa 5 na ndagika 35 magitwikania kilomita 2,500 riera-ini.
That is a law in Saudi Arabia that one has to quarantine outside their home country, like maybe Dubai or maybe Afghanistan or Bahrain.
But they are expensive, and there are all people are poor and laborers, so they choose this country.
They don't bring corona over here. They have been vetted in Pakistan. They've been vetted in transit in Doha, Dubai. So these people are very, very healthy people who are coming into the country.
Thutha wa guthurimwo kwa marua mao mothe ma kumetikiria gukorwo mari bururi-ini othe 1,250 kuonekete gutiri umwe wao unite watho.
It is necessary to live in quarantine in a third country. After that we can travel to Saudi Arabia.
Kwagirite bio tondu mbeca makiri nacio na ni marakigura indo na ithu tugakiendia.
Chapati niko napika mfuko 4 saizi nachezea mabundles.
Matatu ciarite raini haha cietereire kumacokia mikaweria makoretwo magiikara riri metereire thiku ciao 14 cia guikara keheri-ini ithire niguo mathie na mbere na thabari yao.
Thutha wa ruhonge ruria rurumbuithanagia na maundu ma kuingirana kuma bururi wa Kenya kuhitukia ati raia ya kuma bururi wa Pakistan me bururi-ini wa Kenya kuringana na watho riu ni meguthie na mbere na thabari yao ya